Hello rail fans. Today we're doing a video on how to create your own train horns with Audacity and YouTube. So this has been a request by Trainman Rod on YouTube. It's referenced down on the Hudson line. First start off, open Audacity, download it on any website. Just go to Audacity. Download it right here from the right there. So in order to start off, open Audacity, then find a train video like this. So we'll use 130 for example. Let's go here. I'm just gonna copy one of these normal folders. Copy, paste, and then rename 130. This is just an example, 130. Because I've already made 119 horn, so I can just replace everything else in here. So open up Audacity, go to Audio Setup, Recording Device. Make sure it's linked to your main speaker here. And in this case, it's the XF273M3. And then playback device is also going to be the same thing. So then you can hit record, and then this will record everything from the desktop. Oh, that doesn't seem to be working. Playback device. Yeah, it's not recording for some reason. Audio setup, recording device. Headphones, is that gonna work? Nope. This should be the recording device, but it's not recording for some reason. Audio setup. Let's see if this. Oh, there we go. Technically the far and the close range. So we'll delete this. In order for it to show up, you have to do mono. And then you can do stretchy. Not sure what this is called, but I'm just gonna do the basic right now. Okay. I'm gonna take out that quill a little bit. You can zoom in to find the front. And then fade in. And then you're gonna wanna compress it. I just have these settings. You can pause the video. I just keep reapplying these. Then it gets as loud as I need it to. Okay. So this should be just the right. Just gonna fade this in more. Can't really do the bell though, so you need to find a different video for bell. But Control C, copy. Control V. A lot of people like to copy a section and then reverse it, but sometimes it makes it a lot harder to splice it together. So I just highlight. I don't reverse the end. Fading, crossfade. Then now I can move it up. then this is what it should sound like. See how it's so right here it sounds weird. That'd be a fade here. And then just fade that again. See how that is. Yeah, right. So right here. So basically right there. Crossfade. Okay. We can just keep doing this. I technically get it like 6 seconds long. We can save this file, export, browse, and drag 130. KFLE 1. That's too close. Yes. And for 2. We can delete this whole entire section. And then you want to fade this out. And then right here, you want to fade in. That way it's not choppy. Export. KFLE 2. There you go. This is just the basic, so it's going to be pretty short. And then in here, since it's Amtrak 130 and this says Amtrak 119, you have to replace. You just copy this. Control C, put it up here. Control V, Amtrak 130. Replace all. That just saved you like 30 seconds to a minute having to replace every single one of these lines. And then down where it has the horn loop, backspace, backspace. Let's make this. I usually have it like 10.5. This is the audio. So this bass volume. This is how loud it's going to be in game. And the pitch shift is how fast the rate will be. And then this one should be 7. And then I'm just going to take this out so we just listen to the close. There we go. File, save, copy, put it in your P42 horn, vehicles, diesel, P42, cab, paste, replace. Go into your game. And then I'll touch up on the file directories later in the video. So we'll do normal P42. Let's see, P42. P42. Oh wait, maybe that's what it back here. Yeah, light engine. This is Miami. I don't need to, I can't use a 50. Maybe it's over here. Here it is. Nope. Not sure why it's not showing up, but we'll just do no 7. Okay, we'll just do this. Take a second to load here. Now we got that settled. Exit. Main menu. Quick game. So let me just show you assets. RSC P42 rail vehicles, diesel P42DC. It should be Amtrak locomotive. See, this is a bin file. This is where all the main source coding, not main source coding, but majority of the coding for an engine in this game is. You right click, open with SIRS. Make sure you download SIRS. This is the only way to convert it to the XML file you need. I already have it opened, and it'll completely ruin it if I open this again. So I'm just going to open the XML file. And in order, if you want to find something you need to find, you can do edit, find. In this case, do sound. There we go. That jumped right down to the horn sound file directory. So P42 RSC audio, rail vehicles, diesel. So each of these segments is a folder. So audio, rail vehicles, cab. This is all right here. P42 audio, rail vehicles, diesel, P4DDC cab. Okay, this line is what it's referencing. This top bar up here. See how they're the same? It's the same. P4DDC horn sound. It is right. Horn sound. Horn sound. If I can find it. Cabs. Horn. No. What? Okay, here it is. Horn sound. You can open this officers. Just create it down here. Okay. This is what it will be referencing. If you download a enhancement pack, Van Ruler, it'll have its own custom file directory. So in order to change that, if you put a train horn in this main directory, but it whenever you start it up in game it doesn't work, just look inside the horn sound bin, and make sure it's referencing the same file directory as the main cab folder. So in this case, it's P4D DC horn. So it's the one we just put in there, right here. Yep, C130. Yeah, that'll basically wrap up this video. If you want to see more of the kind, don't forget to subscribe and like the video, comment. See you later.